Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So keeping a clean house is really important to me. I'm sure by now you guys know that. And a lot of the times people will ask, how do I do it? And it's really simple. You just have to learn to implement daily habits. In order for your house to stay clean, you have to clean it while it's clean, if that makes sense. So yeah, there are some things that I do every single day. One thing being laundry, and today's video is being sponsored by NitraaB, and I'm so excited to have them as a partner for this video. So I've had the NitraaB washer and dryer for almost 4 years now, and as you guys can tell, the set is really beautiful. It looks really great in the space, and not only does it look good, but it's very durable. I do several loads of laundry every single week, so having something that's durable is really important for our growing family and our lifestyle. And NitraaB is an OG in the game. They have been manufacturing powerful and dependable appliances for more than 100 years. And every new NitraaB appliance is backed by a decade of dependability thanks to their 10-year limited parts warranty. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about NitraaB, I will have a link in the description box below. And now I'm going to take you guys along with me as I do some of my daily cleaning. So I'm sure by now you guys know how I feel about making the bed daily, but this is the first thing that I like to do, and it motivates me to do the rest of my daily tasks. So I always make our bed and Uriah's bed every single morning just because it helps. You guys know I work from home, so I do not like for my house to be in disarray. I like for it to just be clean and for it to look clean whenever I go into a room, and that really just helps me function better. So that's one reason that I put so much attention on making sure that my house is clean, because I'm here all day for the most part. So I just want it to be a space that I can enjoy and that just looks good. And now we're moving on to Uriah's room. So this is his new space. He did move rooms whenever we created the nursery for Ezra, and he absolutely loves his new room. I thought he was gonna have problems adjusting just because it is a new space and it's a little bit further from our room, but he didn't have any issues at all. So yeah, I'm just making his bed. I normally like to do this with him first thing in the morning because I do want to let it become a habit for him to just get into the routine of making his bed. So normally this is something that we do together. So once I get the beds made, I'll pick up if there's anything that's just kind of sitting around, but everything was pretty much picked up. So now I'm just going over the floors. And one thing I like to do is keep a vacuum cleaner on each level. I know it sounds a little bit extra, but it really helps me because whenever I need to do something really quickly, like go over the floors, I don't have to run downstairs. So I like to keep a vacuum cleaner upstairs on the main level and also in the basement. I also have a little basket where I'll keep cleaning supplies as well. So going over the floors isn't something that I do every single day. I say probably every other day, and it really just helps the house look cleaner overall. And that was everything that I needed to do upstairs on this day. So now I'm gonna pick up the living room a little bit. We actually watched a movie on the couch the night before, and I just didn't even bother trying to fluff the pillows or anything. So that's what I'm doing now, and it literally takes a whole 30 seconds, but look how much better it looks. And then I like to do my quick everyday coffee table kind of cleanup. I don't even bother taking anything off the table. I just wipe around it to get off any fingerprints or smudges. And now I'm gonna light my candles for more of that fall mood. Y'all already know it wouldn't be an official NitraaB video without lighting a candle. floors. And this little daily routine that I have, I normally do first thing in the morning, and it takes me about 15, sometimes 20 minutes. It really depends on what all I need to do. But if you stay on top of it, you will be able to do it in 15 minutes every single day, and your house will look clean. And then on those days where you have more time, you'll be able to focus on other things like the deeper cleaning. And now I'm gonna put on a load of laundry, and staying on top of laundry is so important. And like I was telling you guys earlier, the Maytag washer and dryers deliver dependability, power, and it's definitely gonna be something that you can count on. It's gonna stand the test of time. And with having another baby boy on the way, of course, I'll be doubling down on laundry. So it's really important that we have something that is really going to stand the test of time. Because of course, with having another little one, that means there's gonna be more laundry. So I definitely need something that's going to be dependable and something that I know will get the job done. And wiping down your counters daily is going to help them stay in pristine condition. And you use the countertops so much, especially the ones in the kitchen. So I just like to make sure that I'm taking really good care of them. So we actually have marble countertops. The name is Shadow Storm. And I love our countertops, so I want to make sure that I'm just taking good care of them. I also wipe down the stove daily. So this is the last thing that I like to do, just so that I'm not wiping the grease from the stove all over the countertops. And Uriah's play area, I actually cleaned the night before, so it really wasn't a mess. He just had like a book out from earlier when he was eating breakfast. So I got that all taken care of. And now I'm gonna move the clothes from the washer to the dryer. And the Maytag washer and dryers have some really great features. One of my favorites on the model that I have is the fresh hole option. So it keeps clean clothes smelling fresh in the washer. It pretty much circulates the air through clothes for up to 12 hours. If for some reason you forget your clothes in the washer, the fresh hole is going to stop the clothes from getting that mildewy, moldy smell. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Big thank you to Maytag for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in checking out a washer and dryer set that is going to be dependable and stand the test of time, then definitely be sure to check out Maytag. I will have a link in the description box below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!